Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Umentri rang ba ka jala Meghalaya Conrad Sangma menta kasngi ula plie paidbah ya ka website ka badai na ka benta ban pen state ya ki jingtrai kam jong ka sarkar ya ka blatip kum ka Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission kani ka website kan khami halor ka jing pentrai kam ya ka hok jong ki paidbah halor ki jing ya dei haki kam bat ka sarkar bat long ru kum ka jingking na ka benta ban pen state ya ki jingtrai kam ki badai ban ai sha ka jing shakri paidbah na kalyang Mentri rang ba ka jala Conrad Sangma ulong shushuro ba kani ka de ka thong jong ka sarkar ban pen bha ya ka rukom tre kam jong ka sarkar bat kham tam ban pen dem hapo ka por ka badai ban pen dem na ka benta ka jingdon kam jong ki paidbah hi baro ka wei u Conrad ul ai jing ya ro ya ka Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission bat kum juro ya ka NIC Meghalaya halor ka jingla ban pen dem ya kani ka website ka badai ban ai jing shakri ya ki paidbah ka jala Meghalaya.
It's not the only one. So hence, even individuals who are able to log on to the internet and do it at their own level or go to some centers or a cyber cafe or a mobile phone. So therefore, every mobile also is in fact a service center in one way. That's the whole idea, that this entire online services and this web portal being launched today is actually creating and making every mobile, every iPad, every computer into a service center. That's the whole idea. So therefore, the service centers that are there, the common service centers are obviously one of the ways. And if we definitely see that the requirement and the utility is growing and there is a need to expand that, definitely we can examine that also. But let us see how things progress, let us see how the work happens and the utility is there, and based on the situation we will further examine. But as I said, the step today is to actually make every mobile a service center.